How to reset TikTok privacy settings. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are concerned about your privacy on TikTok, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your TikTok privacy settings so you can have more control over your account. Whether you want to make your account more private or just tweak some settings, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your TikTok app on your phone. Once it's opened, simply tap on the profile icon shown on the bottom right corner of your screen. Now that you are on your profile, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner of the screen. Now select Settings and Privacy, and this will open Settings and Privacy menu. Simply tap on the Privacy, and this is where all the magic happens. In this section, you can switch between your private and public account. You can control who can see your videos. You can manage who can comment, tweet, or switch on your content and send you direct messages. You can even decide who can view your liked videos and follower list. You can even turn on and off whether TikTok suggests your account to others. You can manage the list of users you have blocked, or you can even adjust settings for personalized ads and control your data. These settings will give you more control over your TikTok experience and who interact with your content. And that's it. You can successfully reset your TikTok privacy settings and have more control over your account. Whether you want to make your account more private or just tweak some things, these steps will help you keep your content secure and limit who can interact with you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.